Hello students, welcome to Maths Adda Academy. I welcome you all to my session. So today we'll see some basic concept of polynomials. Alright guys, see this polynomial is very important topic for all the classes like class 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright guys, so let us start our session with some concept of it. After this I'll start exercise 2.1. Okay, class 9 chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. I'll do all the questions. Okay, so let's start the sessions. So first let's see what is a polynomial. All right, we'll go very slowly and we'll have some depth concept of polynomial. All right, see, an algebraic expression in which the power of the variable is a whole number is called a polynomial. What do you mean by an algebraic expressions? See, this is my algebraic expressions. Okay, it contains some terms. Okay, this is one term, this another term having some variable. So this is my algebraic expressions in which what I have, see this x, this x. These are what? These are my variable. Okay, x, y, z, t. All these are called as variables in this algebraic expressions. All right, here x is my variable. So what is the power of this variable? 2. What is the power of this variable? 1. See, 2 and 1, these are whole number. Okay, whole number. Let me write here whole number. Okay, start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are whole number, and if the variables contains any one of this whole number in the algebraic expression, then it will be called as polynomial. All right guys, so I hope you understood the basic definition of a polynomial. All right, so let's see number 2, polynomial in one variable. Okay, you can have polynomial in two variable also, polynomial in three variable also. So let's see polynomial in one variable. See, one variable, that means x, y, z, any variable you can take. Let's see this one. See, polynomial containing one variable will be called as polynomial in one variable. Example, see, let's say example, let's try to understand the example. Okay, see, 3x square plus x plus, the first question is that this is a polynomial. Why? Because the variable x, it contains the power or the exponent which is a whole number. 2 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number. Okay, all right, 1 is a whole number, this is 1. Okay, 1. So this is my polynomial, but in one variable. Why one variable? Because only I have x. All right, see, let's see this one, polynomial in two variables. See, x and y, these are the variable, two variable. Similarly, I can have polynomial in three variable, x plus y plus z plus 10. This is my polynomial, but in three variables. All right guys, let's see question number 4. Point number 4, terms of a polynomial. Now next important point is, what do you mean by terms? We'll often use terms in the polynomial. All right, see, terms usually have a number and a variable. See this one, 3x, this is my one term, 2y is my another term. That means in this example I have two terms, 3x and 2y. Basically it contains number and variable. It contains number 2 and variable here is y. So this is my one term and this is my another term. All right guys, so here there are two terms, namely 3x and 2y. Let's see 5, coefficient of a polynomial. This is very important again. Question always used to come from coefficients. Okay, so coefficients of a polynomial, the numbers that come before a term. See example. Okay, see, let me take this example, 2x. This is my one term, so 2 is the number, x is the variable. So before variable x, what is coming? 2. So this number 2 will be your coefficient. All right, and 2x is the term, x will be the variable, and 2 is the coefficient of x. Let's see some more example. Okay, suppose I have 3x square. So 3 is what? 3 is the coefficient of x squared. 5t. What is 5? 5 is the coefficient of t. Here 3 is the coefficient of x square. Here 2 is the coefficient of x. The numbers that come before a term, okay, or before a variable will be called as a coefficient. Alright guys. So in this case 2x is the term and x is the variable and 2 is the coefficient of x. Okay. So let's see question number 6. Point number 6 says that degree. Okay, we'll understand degree also. Now degree is what? As we have seen in a polynomial, we always see the power. Okay, say 5. Say, suppose for example this is my polynomial. Obviously this is my polynomial because the power of x is 10, the power of x is 12, power of x is 1. All this 10, 12, 1 are whole number. First thing you have to make it clear that it should be a polynomial. Means the power of the variable should be a whole number. Okay, so this is my polynomial. Next is degree. Okay, degree. So degree will be the highest power or the highest indices or the highest power or the highest exponent of the variable in the polynomial. For example, see x. What is the power of x? 10. What is the power of x? 12. What is the power of x? Variable 1. So what is the maximum or the highest power here? 12. So in this case my degree will be equals to, degree of this polynomial will be equals to 12. Okay, I'll take the highest power. Okay guys, let's see number 7. We'll see now types of polynomial. So there are two types of polynomial based on two different things. For example, first one, polynomial based on number. Okay, number of terms. Second case, we'll see polynomial based on number of degree. The first one, polynomial based on number of terms. There are three types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, so monomial is what? Polynomial consisting of one term. For example, see, this is one term. 2x is my one term and it contains one term only. So this is my monomial. Binomial containing or consisting of two terms. 2x is one term and 5 is another term. So this is my binomial. Trinomial, polynomial consists of three terms. Okay, so this is my one term, this is another term. Terms are always separated by plus or minus. Okay, I can have like this also, 3x minus y minus 2. So this is also my trinomial because 3x, y and 2 are separated by minus, or I can take plus also, plus and minus. Okay, next we'll see polynomial based on degree. All right, this one, polynomial based on degree, we'll see. Okay, based on degree, again we can have four types of polynomial. For now, in higher class you will learn more about all these things, but till class 9 or 10 you need this four only. Okay, so first one is constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0, okay, is called a constant polynomial. For example, say 100. Why 100? Where is the degree? I do not have variable. I do not have a variable. So 100 I can write what? 100 into 1. Okay, this gives me 100. Instead of 1 I can write x to the power 0. Okay, so see, this 100 is same as this one, 100 x to the power 0. Okay, so what is the power of x or the degree of x? Is 0. So degree here is 0, means degree of 100, any constant number. Okay, if I take 10, any constant number, degree will be equal to 0, because 10 again I can write 10x to the power 0. Okay, so this is my constant polynomial. Say example 5. 5 is also my constant polynomial because 5 I can write 5 into x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 gives me 1. All right, linear polynomial, again a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, say 2x plus 5. In this case 2x, x, what is the power of x? It is 1. So that means the degree is 1. So therefore in this case you don't see the number of terms. Okay, you only focus on the degree. Degree, since degree is 1, therefore this will be called as a linear polynomial. Similarly with quadratic polynomial, the degree should be 2. See, 5x square plus y plus 3. What is the degree in this case? Degree is 2. Maximum highest power is 2. Cubic, degree should be 3. See, degree here 3. Why 3? Because highest power of x is 3, here 2. So I'll take highest power. Since the degree is 3, therefore it is called as a cubic polynomial. So these are some of the basic concept of polynomial. I hope you have understood all the concepts. With this concept we'll do other exercises also. Okay guys, thank you.